Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track bills and expenses in Goodbudget. In Goodbudget you can track both bills and daily expenses using envelopes categories. The idea is simple: bill is planned, fixed expenses and daily expenses is flexible spending. And by separating them you avoid missing payment and overspending. First, open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar. Type on goodbudget.com and enter it. And over here, you need to log in the top right, and you need to create a separate envelope for the bills and expenses. You need to go to this envelope in the top here. You can add an envelope, then create your rent, electricity, add groceries here. Click onto this add here. You can also set any of the groceries that you want. You can select one of the filled amount as well, and food and the daily expenses of your groceries, gas, and your saving as well. And this separation is key for the clarity. And after you're done, what you can do is you can save it on the top right as well and track your bills when you pay them. When you pay a bill, you can tap on expense and choose the bill envelope in the top as well, and your bill is now recorded and deducted as well. And over here you can also track your bills and expenses. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.